Where can he turn around up there?
No, I can't.
Can you do that, Mum? You're just going to look at it. It's already recording. Just point it.
Oh, get out of the picture. Come on, I've got to get this on the horse.
No, just film it. It's only videoing.
Oh, what am I doing
Nothing,
though?
just point it. You don't have to do anything but point it. Stand right back.
It's got to have memories.
Just make sure that's the right gear.
It's got to have a memories. The first horse, love. Get out the way. You get out the way. Put his lead on him. Any minute now. Is that voice on it?
Yeah, you can hear everything you're saying.
It's coming too. And he's got a big smile on her face. See? And he's happy. Here he comes. Here he comes.
Right.
There you go, darling.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yep.
Excellent.
Double check it.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Alright, love. Oh, God, he had a poo as he got out.
Where's this road going to?
Oh, I don't know, love.
I've got it.
I don't think there's much turnaround stuff, but it's Redmond Road, isn't it? Redman. Is that Redmond? No, it's not. It's something else, I think. Sorry. Can't help you, Dal. Alright. There's your theory. Thank you very much.
Did you give him the money? Did you give him the money, Mum?